Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today's story is called English at the Doctor's. In this video, you will follow a simple and natural conversation between Ken and Ellie as they visit a doctor. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy listening. Before we start the story, I have a small question for you. Please keep this question in mind while you listen. Here is the question. What did Ellie mention as one possible cause of a headache? The answer is mentioned naturally in the conversation. It is not a medical diagnosis, but a small and interesting point to notice. If you find the answer, please write it in the comment section after watching the video. By writing your answer in English, you can practice output and improve your English more effectively. All right, are you ready? Let's start the story.
Good morning, Ellie.
Good morning, Ken. You don't look so good today.
Yeah, I don't feel very well.
I'm sorry to hear that. What's wrong?
I have a headache.
A headache?
Yes, my head hurts a little.
I see. Is it very bad?
Not very bad, but it's uncomfortable.
Do you feel tired too?
Yes, I feel tired.
When did it start?
It started this morning.
I see. Do you have a fever?
I don't think so.
Any other problems?
My throat feels a little sore.
That doesn't sound good.
I was thinking maybe I should see a doctor.
I think that's a good idea.
But I'm nervous.
Why are you nervous?
I have to speak English at the doctor's office.
That's okay. We can go together.
Really?
Of course. I can help you.
Thank you, Ellie. That makes me feel better.
Let's get ready and go.
My head still hurts a bit.
I see.
I wonder why I have a headache.
Well, sometimes headaches can come from small things.
Small things?
Yes, for example, not drinking enough water.
Water?
Yes, sometimes if you don't drink enough water, your head may hurt.
Oh, I didn't know that.
It doesn't happen to everyone,
I see.
and it's not always the reason.
That makes sense.
But sometimes drinking water can help a little.
Now that you say it,
Yes?
I didn't drink much water yesterday.
Oh, really?
I was busy, so I forgot.
Then maybe that's part of it.
Maybe.
You could try drinking some water now.
Okay.
But even so, it's still good to see a doctor.
Yes, I agree.
A doctor can check everything properly.
That makes me feel safe.
Good. Let's go to the clinic.
We're here.
Yes, this is the clinic.
My heart is beating fast.
That's normal. Just take it slow.
Okay.
Let's go to the front desk.
Hello.
Hello. How can I help you?
I'm here to see a doctor.
Do you have an appointment?
No, I don't.
That's okay. What seems to be the problem?
I have a headache.
I see. Anything else?
My throat is a little sore.
Okay. Please write your name here.
Okay.
Please have a seat and wait.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, now we wait.
Yes, please sit here.
Thank you for coming with me.
No problem at all.
I feel a little nervous.
That's normal. Many people feel that way.
I'm worried I won't understand the doctor.
That's okay. Doctors usually speak clearly.
I hope so.
Let's practice a little while we rate.
Practice?
Yes, the doctor may ask about your symptoms.
Okay.
How long have you had the headache?
I can say it started this morning.
Perfect.
What else might they ask?
Maybe they will ask about pain.
Pain.
You can say it hurts a little or it hurts a lot.
I see.
Or you can say it's uncomfortable.
That's easy to remember.
Good.
What about my throat?
You can say my throat feels sore.
Okay, my throat feels sore.
Great job.
Thank you. I feel a little more confident now.
That's good.
Oh, they called my name.
Okay, let's go.
Hello. Please come in.
Hello.
Please have a seat.
Thank you.
What seems to be the problem today?
I have a headache.
How long have you had the headache?
It started this morning.
Does it hurt a lot or just a little?
Not a lot. It hurts a little.
Is the pain always there or does it come and go?
It comes and goes.
Do you feel tired today?
Yes, I feel tired.
Have you been sleeping well?
Not very well.
Do you have a fever?
I don't think so.
How about your throat?
My throat feels a little sore.
Thank you. I will check you now.
Okay,
Please relax and take a deep breath.
I'll try.
Good. Stay calm.
Okay.
The doctor is checking now.
Yes, we just need to wait a little.
Okay.
How do you feel right now?
My head still hurts a bit.
I see. You can say you have a headache.
Headache.
Yes, headache is very common.
I hear that word a lot.
Me too.
What about stomach pain?
For that, we often say stomachache.
Stomachache.
Yes, headache, stomachache.
They both end with ache.
That's right.
What does ache mean?
Ache means a dull or steady pain.
A dull pain.
Yes, not sharp, but uncomfortable.
I see.
So, headache is pain in your head.
And stomachache is pain in your stomach.
Exactly.
That's easy to remember.
Yes, very useful words.
Even while waiting, I can learn English.
That's the best time to learn.
Oh, I think they are calling me.
Yes, I hear your name.
Everything looks okay.
That's good to hear.
You may have a mild cold.
I see.
I will give you some medicine.
Okay,
Please take this medicine twice a day.
twice a day.
Yes, and please get some rest.
Okay,
Drink plenty of water.
I will.
If you feel worse, please come back.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Hello.
Hello.
That will be $50.
$50. Okay.
We take cash only.
Cash only?
Yes.
Okay, that's fine. Here you are.
Thank you. Here is your change.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too. I'm glad it's over.
You did great.
Really?
Yes, you explained your symptoms clearly.
I couldn't have done it without you.
You did most of it yourself.
I feel relieved now.
That's good.
I learned many useful phrases today.
Yes, talking to a doctor is important.
Next time, I won't be so scared.
That's great progress.
Let's go home and rest.
Good idea.
Thank you again, Ellie.
Anytime.
How was it? I hope you enjoyed this story and felt more confident listening to English at a doctor's office. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What did Ellie mention as one possible cause of a headache? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you notice it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. Practicing English output like this can help you improve your listening and speaking skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn naturally. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed today's video, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. It really supports the channel and makes me very happy. Alright, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye!